I'm loving the program so far. It's been insanely valuable, not only the mentorship that we've received, but also the networks that have been facilitated and the introductions that have been made.
I'm in particular excited by the opportunity that this program represents for startups who are participating to better understand market opportunities in both countries.
Our companies provide solutions to the whole value chain of farm to fork. Most of our startups are also in the deep tech space and adding to the vibrancy and capabilities of our research ecosystem.
I'm really pleased that we managed to get a good cohort of just diverse technologies and also offerings, but more importantly, higher TRLs, which is actually what both consumers and collaborators are looking for.
The program's been absolutely fantastic and has really exceeded my expectations. You know, the quality of both the other startups on the program and the quality of the introductions to the government agencies, to the corporates that we've met so far, has just been absolutely fantastic.
Always looking for kind of new knowledge, right? Getting to meet with and bounce ideas off of other brilliant people around the world. And I think obviously the startup community is famous for that in the food tech ecosystem. So that's really one of the big draws for us.
So this has been a fabulous chance to meet some great people, been very condensed, but there's going to be lots of opportunities outside of the program to further those relationships and really grow, hopefully some collaborative partnerships in research, maybe product development and commercialization. So it's really exciting.
We have to really forge a new set of partnerships and collaborations based on genuine capabilities and complementarities. I'm really excited about this kind of collaboration and think this is really the future of the Australia-Singapore relationship.